Hello friendos, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a face full of favorites, and a lot of these I feel like are going to be a big surprise for you guys. I've got items from the drugstore and things that I have never talked about before on my channel. If you are ready for a whirlwind of mystery, fun, and surprises, friendo, just stay tuned. So friendos, the first item that I'm going to be showing today is no longer available in stores. I believe I randomly purchased this from Francesca's boutique a long time ago, and I repurchased it twice and now it's no longer available there. I saw where it is available on eBay though, so if you are so inclined, you can get it from eBay, although I know that that's not the most trusted way to go about getting your beauty products. Enough of my prattling. It is the Vitamin C Beauty Sea Buckthorn Rose Facial Toner. So this is hydrating, removes impurities, and clarifies the complexion. I have found all three of those to be the truth. So let's go ahead and spray my face. It has a very good refreshing feeling. I'm going to rub mine in. In case you do go looking for this, the name of the brand is Vitamin C, as in SEA .beauty. So next up is the Waso Shiseido Poreless Matte Primer. Now this I like to put on to my T-zone and nowhere else, otherwise it'll get a little too dry, and a little bit goes a long ways, friendos. The dry down on this is also very fast, so you will need to work rapidly, or I will need to work rapidly because you guys just get to be entertained. It is I that takes on the burden of putting on this makeup. Next up is the Milk Hydra Grip Primer. I wanted to mention this in my last hydration full face video. This is one of those that does do a good job of hydrating your skin. It does a very, very good job of hiding if you have peeling skin on your face, and it just kind of keeps it glued to your face so no one can tell when your skin is actually peeling. And this one has a slight aloe vera scent to it. So if you like the smell of aloe vera, you'll like this. Next up, let's get some eyebrows drawn on me. I think you guys might actually be shocked when I show you this product and I tell you that this is one of my favorites. I've been purchasing this for years. Each one will last me around 1.5 to 2 years. It's the Kiss Perfect Eyebrow Kit. Yep, you can pick this up from the drugstore. It's around $4. Surprise, surprise, I like this. Mine is almost used up, so another proof that I really do like this. So this part right here is like a waxy putty. And what I like to do is stick a flat brush in there, get some of the putty down, and then take some of the powder and put it over that, and then it becomes sort of a pomade. And it stays on all day. It is every bit as good as the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, in my opinion. If not a little bit better. It's staying put. Okay, friendos, I'm back. Let's go in with some foundation. I'm going in with the Pure Love Yourselfie foundation. I feel like this is one of my foundations with the best longevity. I can wear this for long periods of time and it doesn't really exacerbate any lines or break apart. Next, I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. If you watched my video on my 5 favorite concealers, then you know this is one of them. I'm going to go in really light-handed with this concealer because it does not take a lot and it's very thick. Then for my lips, I'm going in with Layla. This is from the Essence of Norway collection, and this is the Luscious Lip Tingle. Now this one does have a slight plumping effect, but of all my plumping glosses, I would say this is the least irritating of all my glosses that are for plumping. If you are sensitive to minty or burning sensations, this might be one worth trying if you are looking for a plumping gloss. And this does smell a little bit like strawberries. And if you guys would like to buy this, you have two options. You can either pick this up inside Disney World at the Norway ride, or you can go online to www.heirness.com, and that's spelled GEIRNESS.com, just in case. So what I'm going to use on my eyes today is something that I've talked a lot about on my channel, but I don't think that I have ever actually used this on my channel. So it is the original sugar pill in the pink capsule. So obviously we're going to be doing something colorful. Let's get into it. So first off, I'm going to go in with this big pink shade. And this is on a random Wet n Wild brush that I have. Next up, I'm going in with this lovely plum shade. Same brush. And you guys can tell this is a really nice purple. There's lots of pigmentation and it's very easy to blend out. Next up, I'm going to go in with this blue shade. This blue is not bad, but it is not like top tier either. But you guys can see. It's really not bad at all. Then on a Sigma E25, I'm going to dip into this pinky golden shade and I'm going to spray my brush just to save some time. Then I'm going to use this nice bright shimmery blue on the outer edge. Again, spraying it. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use from Tarte, it's the Quick Stick. I'm going to use the eyeliner portion to line my eyes. For a brand that's in between a high-end price point and a drugstore price point, sort of right in between those two, I think this is a really good eyeliner and it does have pretty good longevity. I was going to show you the Tarte clay paint liner, but unfortunately it's kind of dried up now. This one is a really good eyeliner if you like something that's a little bit creamier in formulation. Now I'm going to go in with the Milani Anti-Gravity Highly Rated Mascara. And you know, I don't think I said what I used, but I did use House Laboratories as my eyeliner. You guys know it's my favorite, so no surprise there. All right, I'm back. So now I want to put on some bronzer. This is by Pure. This is their Bronzing Act Matte Bronzer. This bronzer is not matte. I would say this has a very skin-like, a little bit radiant finish. And it smells like chocolate. It smells really good. Pure does a lot of things wrong. This is one of the things that they get right. And then for blush, I am going in with Pat McGrath Labs. This is in the Divine Rose formula. This is the Skin Fetish Divine Rose. Now I told you guys before that I did not really like Pat McGrath's blushes. I shouldn't have spoke so quickly because I did purchase one and I don't know if it was just a dud or what. I've tried a couple of hers from her brand here recently and they're a lot better. I don't know what was wrong with that first one that I had. So this is the design inside. They're really pretty. I like the embossment. This formulation is a really nice, flattering matte. And then Friendos, I haven't talked about this a lot on my channel because I haven't had it that long, but let me tell you, this has been a fast favorite. The Dominique Cosmetics Translucent Setting Powder. This has a very potent effect. I didn't realize that in my initial video or in my first few times using it. And then the other day we were taking pictures outside and I did not have any powder on at the time. And then I went back inside and I put some of this on. It was a world of difference. It really does a good job of blurring everything. I think you guys should definitely give this powder a try if you are in the market for a new powder. And it looks beautiful all over the face, not just under the eyes. And Friendos, I guess that's everything. Please let me know if I covered something today that you want to hear more about. Let me know. Did you know that most of these are my favorite? Have I mentioned these before and I've just forgotten? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, let me know what your favorite products are. Are there some things that no one else talks about or that no one talks about anymore that I need to check out? I always like hearing from you guys. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Okay, guys, have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.